Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts from bread. First, let's get our base ready. You'll need about 8 to 10 slices of day-old bread, a quarter cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 egg. Begin by flattening each bread slice with a rolling pin until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. This creates a denser texture, perfect for frying. Next, whisk together the milk, sugar, and egg in a shallow bowl. This mixture will be our flavorful dip for the bread. Now that your bread is flattened and your egg wash is ready, it's time to shape and fry. Grab a 2 or 3 inch round cookie cutter and cut out your donut shapes from the flattened bread. Don't forget to cut out the center hole too. Carefully dip each bread donut into the egg and milk mixture, making sure both sides are thoroughly coated. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry each donut for about 1 minute per side until golden brown. Once your donuts are beautifully golden and slightly cooled, it's time for the fun part, glazing. For a classic glaze, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Dip each warm donut into this sweet mixture, allowing the excess to drip off. Alternatively, you can toss them in a bag with cinnamon sugar for a different flavor. Feel free to get creative with toppings like chocolate drizzle, colorful sprinkles, or even finely chopped nuts. And there you have it, delicious, homemade donuts crafted from ordinary bread. These treats are best enjoyed warm, so arrange them on a platter and serve them immediately. They make a fantastic quick snack or a delightful dessert. You'll be amazed at how simple ingredients can transform into such a wonderful indulgence. Enjoy sharing these unique and tasty creations with your friends and family. It's a truly satisfying and easy baking adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.